Alright, in this video I will show you how you can create these premium motion graphic reels using DaVinCi Resolve and with the help of AI.
Supplements wouldn't fix what hasn't been tested. Random solutions without ever checking the actual hormone levels. There is a variable most people never check. When sleep shifts, mood changes, or energy dips, it's easy to assume it's just life. At AMG in Tucson, we begin with a consult and comprehensive hormone testing, then walk through your results step by step. Right now, it's only $295 total, that's $100 off. So if you're ready for real data, tap Learn More and fill out the quick form.
Go to the pinned comment and grab all the assets, presets, and project files for absolutely free. And let's begin. Alright, so now let's have a look.
Right now, it's only $295 total, that's $100 off.
Alright, till here, so we'll grab an adjustment clip and let's trim it till here. And now let's open this Infusion page. And now let's make some space here and bring in the text node and merge it here. Now let's go to this text node and type $395, and the font this time would be this DM serif text and the type would be italic. And let's increase the size like so and reduce the tracking right here, and I will bring it somewhere about here beneath her chin. And now you can increase the tracking a little bit, and now I'm gonna add a node called dilate, and let's increase the amount so it becomes bold like this. And now for the text, basically what I did was I went to Gemini and asked it to write this sequence. Okay, all right, so you can just copy the sequence and then go to DaVinCi Resolve and let's paste it here. So you will have something like this, and you can reduce down the line spacing and going into layout tab, bring it like so. Okay, and now what you can do is after dilate, we can add a shadow node to it like so, and increase the softness and reduce the alpha like so. And in this text, let's add a rectangle and reduce the height right here and bring it like this. Okay, and increase the soft edge. So now if we go to this text and in layout, you can animate the position, but we will do that in the end. The next thing we will add is going into this assets folder in part 3. So grab this sparkle mp4 file and merge it here. Let's call it stars maybe. And in this merge, let's reduce the size, and let's first off add an ultra keyer, remove the blue screen, and I will copy this shadow node and paste it here. Okay, so it adds this depth. And in this merge, you can adjust the parameters like so. Bring it down right here. All right, and now we can animate our text. So go to text and at frame number 10 maybe keyframe the center position, and now let's skip like 50 frames. So at frame number 60, increase the Y till it comes to $295 like this. And now we can go to the spline tab and check this box, zoom to fit, then select both these points, then press S, then press T, increase the ease in and ease out like so. And now for the stars, we can go to this and increase the global in and out to somewhere about 50 and reduce down the trim so it comes on late. It comes later on like so. All right, and also after this merge, let's add a soft glow like so and reduce down the gain and increase the threshold and increase the glow size like this. Okay, and in this merge, I'll just increase the size of this composition and bring it about here. All right, now we can go back to our edit page and let's check out our next scene.
So if you're ready for real data,
so for this, we will just go to this title section in the edit page and grab this text plus node right here, and let's cut it to here. And now open this Infusion page, and in this text, let's type so. All right, and the font would be Helvetica here, and maybe bold italic. Increase the size, reduce the tracking. Let's change it to like so, and increase the tracking a little bit and size like so. And I'm just gonna add soft glow to it, reduce down the gain and glow size and threshold, and then I'm gonna paste the shadow node from the previous composition. All right, and now what you can do is go back to edit page and let's see. So now you can just hold Alt and make a duplicate of it and change this text to if.
ready for
Let's see.
So if you're
Okay, bring it here and let's trim it here. So if, and then this would be U, and then let's copy this once again, and this would be R.
for real
Okay, so we're gonna cut them a little bit like so. Bring this one here, bring this one here, and trim this as well, and copy this. You are ready, and sorry, this is ready, and then copy this here, or, and then copy this once again, and
for real data.
okay, so for this one, let's extend this
For real data.
real data, and let's open this one in Fusion page, and in the template let's type real data, and I'm just gonna change its color to orangish like so, and even the type would be black italic for this one. And now just after the shadow, add a transform, and at frame number about 20, keyframe the center and go to frame number 0 and reduce down the Y, and then go to spline and then check this, select both these points and press S, then go back to the edit page and make sure you blend it in like so. Okay, so for real data comes in like so. Okay, and now we can move on to our next scene, which is
Tap learn more and fill out the quick form.
all right. Okay, now let's see for the last
Tap
scene.
learn more and fill out the quick.
Okay, let's just grab an adjustment clip right here and trim it till the end of the video. Open this in Fusion page, and as you can see in the media pool, I have brought this animation, and I will show you in a minute how I made it. For now, I will just grab it here and merge it like so. So this is the button we have created, and let me show you how I did this. All right, so this animation is a little complex, so here it is. I have grouped it like so, and I will cross this, and you can see the animation. It's lagging a bit, but you have the full control over it. Like, you can change the text to anything you want. All right, and you can have controls over all the colors. So let's change it to red, maybe change this one to blue, so you have full control. I will just undo this. Okay, so now we have it here. I will just scale it down, and let's add a luma keyer node to it. Okay, so it removes the black edges and reduce down the threshold like somewhere about here, and then I'm gonna add a soft glow to it and reduce down the gain quite a bit, increase the threshold and glow size. And now in this merge, let's scale it down and bring it about here like so. So you will have something like this. Okay,
When sleep shifts, mood changes, or energy dips, it's easy to assume it's just life.